These are delicious and go down wonderfully. And you can have them in no time at all. They're very simple to make. And we've got a surprise happy ending for you. Look at that delicious muffin. Are you ready? Let's get baking. This is the beginning of our breakfast series. We're going to show how to make quick and easy breakfasts. Now, these muffins are a great thing to make ahead of time, and you can keep them at room temperature for 2 days, or if you want to keep them a little bit longer, you can keep them in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. We're going to make 12 muffins today, and depending on how big your crowd is, you'll know how to store them. Let's take a look at our ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of rolled oats, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, plus our optional ingredients, some dried cranberries. The first thing we'll do is start out by whisking together our dry ingredients. We're going to do the flour, and then the rolled oats, and we're going to put in our cinnamon. Look at that. Ooh, that looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah. And our baking powder, our baking soda, and our salt. You want to go ahead and make sure that these are mixed evenly. Okay, we have sufficiently mixed all of the dry ingredients. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do our wet ingredients. First things first, let's do the eggs. And then we're going to go ahead and do the applesauce. Ooh, look at that. We're going to pour in the milk. Our vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of honey. A helpful little hint for getting the honey out of the jar, or out of the measuring cup, I should say. And this tip comes to us from our executive producer. Put a little bit of oil inside your measuring cup. And that way, the honey will slide out a lot easier. Next up, we're going to go ahead and put in dry ingredients. Let's put them all in there, and we're going to give this a good thorough mix. Now, remember I said the optional ingredients. I'm going to put these in right now. Okay, there's all of our cranberries. Oh, I can't wait. I love cranberries. We do a lot of things with cranberries. Chicken salad with cranberries, muffins with cranberries, banana bread with cranberries, cranberries on cereal. And I start to sound like I belong on Forrest Gump. All right, we're going to give this a good thorough mix, and then we're going to load up the muffin tin. You want approximately 2 tablespoons per cup, just in case you're wondering. Now that we've got our muffin tin filled up, we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. The important thing to do is check it in 25 minutes, and if the toothpick comes out from the center clean, you're done. If not, just give it a couple of more minutes. We'll check on this in 25 minutes. To check and make sure that this is done, we're going to stick a toothpick in, and now look at it. Look how clean that comes out. We're going to let these cool for just a little bit, and then we'll remove it from the muffin tin. And here's a surprise for your happy breakfast. Just a little bit of icing. And this is a simple icing. All we did was take 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of regular milk and stirred it up. You'll want it to come out to this consistency, so you may want to play around with your amounts that you use, but this is the way you want it to come out. And you top this, and oh, is this ever going to be delicious. I do suggest that you put these in the refrigerator though, because that will make them the absolute best. All right, 1 more to go. Oh, that looks so good. I certainly hope you enjoy these homemade delicious muffins. I'm sure you will. Give it a try. If you do make it, leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And I want to thank all of our new subscribers very, very much. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. It helps our channel grow. Thank you very much for watching.